So today I have got something mind-blowing for you, how to create jaw-dropping AI generated videos. Imagine creating jaw-dropping videos which were like only possible by the high-end cinematographers and digital animators and concept artists. But now you can also do it. So today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process of creating such videos from scratch. So let's begin. But first thing first, let's set up our tool. So today we are going to use Kiaber AI, which is multi-step ahead from its competitors. So let's begin with the Kiaber AI. So you can go and open the website and log in with your credentials and set it up with your email ID. And once you are done with your setup, I think Kiaber AI will give you some 30 free credits to experiment with. So we are going to utilize that credit today. And apart from being very intuitive in terms of user experience, it is packed with mind-blowing AI related features. So let's explore it. Now that your tool is set up, it's now time to show your creativity. So the first step is going to be selecting your base image on which the AI engine will going to create as per your prompt. So you can feed in image or a video. Mind that for video per second, you will consume 5 credits. So today we are going to only utilize the image feature, because for image you can create 8 seconds of video per credit expense. Let's move ahead. Once you have selected your image, you can proceed to step 2, in which you are going to provide the prompt what you are going to generate about. So you will give some rough picture about it, and if you don't have some ideas, then no worries. Kiaber AI has some preset defined options, so you can simply pick those prompts. And once that is done, you can move on to next step, which is selecting the style of it, like 3D or a concept digital art feel or a cinematic video kind of feel. So those type of styles are already pre-populated and you can pick from. Now about the prompt engineering, it is like completely on your creativity, how you are very creative about choosing the right words. If you don't have the right prompts, then you can Google it out for this particular style, what would be the right prompt engineering for that. So prompt engineering is basically the prompt which you are giving to the artificial intelligent tools so that they understand and process it to give you a certain kind of output. Now once the processing is done, you can select what are the camera angles you want it to play with, like counterclockwise, clockwise, and these are certain few options which you can pick for. The whole generation will move in that particular camera angles. So be mindful about that, what kind of feel you will get, and else you can pick these styles for the camera movements. So once you are done with giving these input and commands, it will take few minutes to process your prompts. And once your video processing is done, it will be ready for exporting. While exporting, you can choose what resolution you want. So you can either export it into full HD by using 1 credit or a 4K resolution. So for all the social media, I think 4K will be too much. So you can skip that and save your credits. So let's play the final output. Here it is. Wow, magical, mind-blowing. Creating something from scratch would take like eons and months, and also understanding the tools, being a designer kind of thing, but now anyone can create such videos. So what's stopping you? You can see that what magical kind of video output it can generate. So the software is available to you. Just log in, register, create stunning videos. If you find this content really helpful, then please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out the upcoming videos notifications. I'm starting this out channel very recently, so your like, share and subscribing will definitely going to motivate me and come up with new content for you relating to industrial design, artificial intelligence and 3D printing. So stay tuned. Next video is upcoming shortly. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.